Hello! Welcome to Easy to Learn channel. Today, we are going to give you 10 examples of vocabulary and phrases related to daily activities. Let's get started. Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Brush my teeth. I brush my teeth after breakfast. Take a shower. She takes a shower before going to work. Get dressed. I get dressed quickly in the morning. Have breakfast. We usually have breakfast together. Go to work or school. He goes to school by bus. Start work. I start work at 9 a.m. Take a break. I usually take a break at 11 a.m. Have lunch. She has lunch with her colleagues. Go to bed. I go to bed at 10 p.m. every night. Question? Well, these were the vocabulary and phrases related to our daily activities. If you like these kinds of videos, let me know in the comments.